Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video I am going to be showing you a few new features in the weather app. So obviously right now I'm not in LA. I wish I was, but if I scroll down, as you can see, this is new. This temperature bit here and also the air quality, but there's only a few options for, sorry, that's not what I meant. You can only view air quality in certain regions. It's not available yet for all countries, but for LA it's already available for US, I guess. So in temperature, if I see more, I can view it like this, which is pretty cool. And if I click on these like stacked up icons, I can also find the precipitation. If I sort of zoom in, wait for it to load a little bit, you can't really see a lot, honestly. Okay, there's not a lot in LA, of course. There is a lot here. And you can also see the air quality. Now this you can see in LA, and as you can see, it's like moderate, I guess. And that is basically it. Those are, those are some of the, I guess, new features in the weather app. You can see temperature, precipitation, and air quality. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Sorry, not tutorial, more like a video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.